Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on dividing algebraic fractions. The process for dividing algebraic fractions is exactly the same as the steps used for dividing ordinary fractions. The following rules are helpful. Number 1. Change the division sign to a multiplication sign. Number 2, turn the second fraction upside down. And number 3, multiply the numerators and denominators and simplify if possible. So let's see how this actually works. The examples. Simplify each of the following algebraic fractions. The first one is m over 4 divided by k over 5. The first rule says change the division sign to a multiplication sign. So in the second line, that's what we've done. Number 2 says turn the second fraction upside down. So k over 5, we turn it upside down to get 5 over k. And the third rule says multiply the numerators and denominators and simplify if possible. 5 times m is 5m, 4 times k is 4k. So there's the answer, and we cannot simplify it any further. Number 2. 6w over 5 divided by 3w over 2. Change the division sign to a multiplication sign and turn the second fraction upside down. Multiplying the numerators, we get 12w over 15w. When we cancel the w's, so there are no more w's left, and then when we cancel 12 over 15, the way to do that is to divide 3 into the numerator and 3 into the denominator, and that gives us 4 over 5, so we're able to simplify. So this fraction here, algebraic fraction, can be simplified to 4 over 5. Number 3, we have this fraction divided by this one. The division sign changes to a multiplication sign, and that second fraction is turned upside down. So we multiply the numerators to get 8 times 18 is 144, and when we multiply the letters together, we get m to the power of 8, k. For the denominator, 3 12s are 36. When we multiply m squared by mk cubed, we get m cubed k cubed. Now, 36 into 36 goes once, 36 into 144 goes 4 times, so that's where we get our 4. Now over here, we have m to the power of 8 and m to the power of 3. That gives us m to the power of 5, because if we cancel m cubed or m to the power of 3 from here and m to the power of 3 from here, we are left with m to the power of 5. Over here, if we cancel k from the numerator and k from the denominator, we get k squared, so there's our answer. This one here is a little more involved because we have 3 fractions, but the rules are exactly the same. Leave those 2 as they are, change that division sign to a multiplication sign, and turn that second fraction upside down. Now I have copied all of those terms there, so we can just do some cancelling. So all you do, you just keep doing your cancelling with the numbers and go down as far as you can. So the 9, the 16 and the 5 that are in the numerator, the 3, the 10 and the 6 in the denominator, we just start doing some cancelling. For example, if you started cancelling, let's say, where can we start? 5 into 5 goes once, 5 into 10 goes twice. That's our start, okay? So there's one example of cancelling, and you just keep going to go down as far as you can. So I've stopped where we've had an 8 there and a 2. I could have gone 2 into 2 goes once and 2 into 8 goes 4 times, but I just left it as 8 over 2. As far as the letters go, we have m to the power of 21 h to the power of 3. That's what we have in the numerator, plus the 8. Here we have a 2, m to the power of 6, and h to the power of 3. After we do our cancelling with the numbers and each of these pronumerals, this is our answer, 4m to the power of 15. The reason we cancelled or simplified is we were able to do so. So this video has introduced us to the idea of dividing algebraic fractions, and the simple rule is that we change the division sign to a multiplication sign, and then the fraction that's after the division sign, we turn it upside down, and then we go through the normal process of simplifying the algebraic fraction where possible.